The 401k to Gold IRA conversion process. Converting a 401k to a Gold individual retirement account is an emerging strategy to diversify retirement savings and protect against economic uncertainty. This is the key steps and considerations for a successful conversion. Key points. 1. Eligibility. Ensure your current 401k allows for rollovers. This is typically easier if you have left your employer or over 59 and a half. 2. Benefits and risks. Gold IRAs can hedge against inflation and market downturns but come with storage fees and liquidity concerns. Steps for 401k to Gold IRA conversion. 1. Establish a self-directed IRA. Open an IRA with a custodian specializing in precious metals. Choose one with a good reputation and transparent fees. Execute the rollover. 1. Direct rollover. Funds move directly from your 401k to the Gold IRA custodian, avoiding tax issues. 2. Indirect rollover. You receive the funds and must deposit them into the Gold IRA within 60 days to avoid penalties. 2. Select precious metals. Choose metals that meet IRS purity standards, for example, American Gold Eagles, Canadian Gold Maple Leafs. 3. Arrange secure storage. Gold must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. Ensure your custodian uses reputable and secure facilities. Ongoing management. 1. Monitor market conditions. Keep an eye on economic and geopolitical factors affecting precious metal prices. 2. Comply with IRS regulations. Understand rules about required minimum distributions, RMDs, at age 72 to avoid penalties. 3. Review fees. Regularly check storage and custodial fees to manage costs. Converting a 401k to a Gold IRA can bolster your retirement portfolio. Following these steps and consulting a financial advisor will help tailor this strategy to your needs. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.